Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Mumbai University's account for existing students. So let's get started. So to log into your Mumbai University's account for existing students, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Mumbai University login for existing students. And after tapping on that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which says already student for this university. And after tapping on that option, you'll come up to this page, and after coming up to this page, now what you can do is just simply tap on the login option which is on the top left corner of your screen. So after tapping on login, now what you can do is just scroll down, and after scrolling down here you can find your username and password option. So just enter your account's username and password. After entering your username and password, now what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. Or if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just tap on forgot username or password, and by tapping on forgot username or password, now what you can do is just recover your account's username or password. So if you have forgotten your username, you can just recover your username, or if you have forgotten your password, you have to recover your password. So after recovering your password or your username, what you can do is just come back to this login page and then enter the new password or the new username that you have recovered, and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So if you don't have an account, what you can do is just simply tap on register, and after tapping on register, you can create an account. But if you do remember your account's password, what you can do is just enter your username and password and then tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Mumbai University's account for existing student. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.